The first day when I met Mr. Ashok Pasari, his brief was, I want to create a product in the city which will last for generations. I want people to remember me, people to think about the product and thank the product. Biophilia is largely about how people interact with nature. I'm a personal believer of nature, and I always used to believe that if you have green spaces around you, your productivity, your thinking process, your positivity always increases. We were led with a very, very beautiful challenge on how do we illustrate the product communication in a way that it transpires into the personality of biophilia. The use of materials in terms of the printing, the use of ink. We used an ink in printing of the brochure, which was eco-friendly. The paper which was used were all recycled paper. All the processes used for making the marketing collaterals all were biodegradable and recyclable. So more use of white spaces, more use of greens, more use of lighter colors, more use of nature elements, which kind of resonates with the overall feeling of biophilia. So I think when the brochure came out, and this was the feedback which we got from the people, that when they flipped through the brochure, they kind of felt that, yeah, this is a green project. This is a project where I want to be. I know the product had gone through a very, very difficult and a challenging journey, because to create something new like this, there are no proven formulas, there are no proven structures where you can replicate certain things which has happened in the past. They tried to do something which has never happened in the city or in the country. The entire team who worked on BioWonder was so passionately driven by BioWonder, because for everybody it was like living the vision, living the dream of Mr. Pasari. When we create marketing communications, we always fear that we are creating such beautiful communications, but would the actual product be like this or no? Are we not cheating the consumers, showing these pictures and products and lifestyle, and actually what the builder does is not in our hands? But with BioWonder, we were more than happy to see that whatever was promised, much more was delivered. The first time when I entered BioWonder, once it was complete, it took about 45 minutes to have a round from the car parking to the terrace, and I was not stopping to smile my entire 45 minutes.